Hi and welcome. My name is Wayne Hussey and I will be your guide for this video on creating a new theme from within IronSpeed. When we talk about themes in IronSpeed, we are talking about the predefined themes that are pre-built in IronSpeed. These design themes provide the underlying look and feel for our applications. By using one of the predefined themes that come with IronSpeed, we can get a great running start on our look and feel for our application. IronSpeed is always adding new design themes. Currently, there are as many as 27 available. Let's take a look at the designs now. Go to Tools, Application Wizard, Page Style. Many times one of these themes are all that we will need in order to build the type of application we need. However, there will be times when IronSpeed applications will need to fit a different look and feel. For instance, maybe you work for a large company, and that company may have certain design criteria that must be followed. For example, certain font sizes for text. Maybe they have a certain color scheme for their website, or even a specific header or footer. Let's say that we have a customer that we are building an application for, and the IronSpeed design themes are not going to be able to meet our needs. The first thing we need to do is find a theme that is close to what we want to use and modify it. We can look at all of these themes and decide on which one is the most appropriate that we would want to use for the work that we're about to do. I think I'll use the vanilla theme. Now that we've decided to use the vanilla theme as our template to build upon, we will now begin the steps that we will need in order to create our own custom theme. Our next step is to find our IronSpeed themes. If you use the default install of IronSpeed, then we will find our themes located in the C:\program files IronSpeed designer version number that we're currently using, design themes directory. So if we open up our and browse to our C drive, program files, IronSpeed, and then the version of IronSpeed that we're using. Currently I'm using the designer version 5.2.1. Remember that we chose the vanilla theme. So since we chose the vanilla theme, let's come down into the vanilla, right click, copy, and then right click and paste, and we'll create this copy of a new copy of the vanilla theme. As you can see, we now have a copy of the vanilla theme. Sticking with the mountain theme, and since I live at the base of Mount Hood, it seems appropriately that we should rename this folder to the theme called Hood. Please remember that you can name this folder anything you would like. Now that we've created our new theme, we can begin to modify and make changes. If we were going to use this theme over and over again with other applications, we will want to make sure that all of our changes are done within this folder. If we open up the Hood folder and look at Data Display, Thumbnails, we can see different GIFs from within this theme, like the Search and Show Record label on side, etc., etc. If we looked at data entry, we'd find similar GIFs like add record, label on top, etc., etc. Next, let's go to the Images folder. And inside of the Images folder, you can see all the button GIFs and arrows, all the different images that make up the design theme. And you can go in and change any of these. If you can work with graphics or know someone that does, this is the place that you would make your changes to the different images in order to put your own branding and look and feel that you desire for your application. Now let's go back to Iron Speed, and we will see that our new themes are now available for us to use. As you can see, we don't see it up here. Yeah, it's not in here. So what we need to do is we need to go into View and refresh. This will pick up all the changes in that folder or within the Iron Speed folders. And now we'll be able to see them. Let's go back into Tools, Application Wizard, Page Style, and there we have it, Hood. Finally, one last parting note. In this example, I chose the Hood theme, and if I would have applied it to my application, then this theme would have been in my application. So now I'm left with two choices. One is I can make those changes within my application. If I do, then I'm only going to be changing the local copy of the theme from within my application and not to the global theme. Second, I can make changes to the new global theme that we just created in the folder in C:\program files, Iron Speed version, design theme folder. And any changes made in there, whenever we create and add a theme to our application, it'll pick up that theme. That way we can reuse the same theme over and over again. Now when we apply our new themes to our Iron Speed application, it will take our new global theme and all of our images and CSS changes, and they will apply to our new application. This concludes our video demonstration on creating a new theme. I hope that this video has been helpful, and please stay tuned for more videos to come.